So let me clear a little confusion that usually patients have about alignment treatment or braces treatment. Is the difference between clear aligners and regular orthodontic braces. So the difference is simple. It's all about convenience. Regular braces and clear aligners both will serve the same purpose. The end result will be the same. The time involved and the convenience attached to it is actually putting both of them quite apart. So clear aligners are made after taking a 3D scan of your entire mouth, and they're coming in different sets that depends on how the orthodontist or the clear aligner specialist has designed your treatment in order to get the favorable result that would be required by you as a patient. And these sets need to be changed every 10 days. And the best part about these clear aligners is that there are no food restrictions. Whereas with braces or orthodontic braces that are known as have a lot of dietary restrictions. So this is a really convenient way of getting yourself treated. The other convenience attached to clear aligners is there are no monthly appointments involved. Whereas in regular braces, you need to visit the orthodontist every month for the entire period of your treatment tenure. Another key convenience for clear aligners is there are no emergencies. So there is no wire breakage, no bracket debonding, no such emergency that is causing any pain to the patient, which is quite common during braces, because even though there are diet restrictions given, but hardly half of the patients are unable to follow them. So again, a convenience is a major factor. Then a very important difference between both of them is the aesthetic. The aesthetic for clear aligners is they are next to bare minimum visible. And with braces, there are steel and metal brackets and wires running all across your smile, so it can keep you more conscious, and clear aligners can make you feel more confident while getting your alignment journey.